Here's a General Electric W2 or W2C box fan that I had picked up a couple of weeks ago. I cleaned it up. I didn't tear the motor apart or anything like that. I just cleaned the blades up on it. But this is the first one that I've seen around my area pop up. And I've always wanted one of these. It was just a matter of when I'd come across one. And this one popped up. So, anyway, as you can see, it shows age quite well. Rust. A lot of dirt. Well, not really a lot of dirt, just rust. Motor. Bagged switch. The cord is pretty stiff, so that'll get changed eventually. I do plan to restore this someday, just because there's not very many of these around. The little grommet that holds the blade on was rotted off, so we ended up replacing that. And the original owner before me had put a screw in the shaft to hold the blade on, so we just found a screw hole, or found a screw that fit in there a little bit better, and then we put a little washer grommet kind of deal for that. So anyway, we'll start up on low. This thing runs kind of fast in my opinion. But then again, I'm not really familiar with these. It's a decent air mover. A little high. Yeah, I mean, the air performance is not something I'd write home about. I mean, I walked back about 10 feet and then I couldn't feel it anymore after that. I could feel more air out of a Lakewood box fan than I could this thing. Not only that, but when I put it on the kilowatt meter, when I tested this, it was very inefficient. It draws almost a whole amp and a half on high, and then almost a whole amp on low. So it's not a very efficient fan. But it is cool, just because of what it is and how rare it is at that. But anyway, that is it, and until next time.